Hello everyone, today, in this video, I am going to show you how to check repost video on TikTok. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your TikTok profile. Now tap on this icon here. You can see here you can see all my reposted videos. In this way, you can see all your reposted TikTok. Now I will tell you how you can watch the reposted videos inside someone else's account. Click on any profile. Now tap on this icon. In this way, you can check reposted videos on TikTok.